My tent was completely snowed in last night. Standing on about a foot of snow right now. I had to crawl out this little hole, like do a wiggle worm / breakdance my way out of it. Had to pop and lock out of my tent. Boy, so I'm just like digging myself out now. And yeah, wow, it's tough to walk through because you can't just kick your feet like normally. You gotta push off every step, and oh, it's like walking 2 miles just to go like walk 5 minutes. But yeah, so I'm alive. Save Mark Watney. I did not die on Sol 46. But yeah, I think this is the worst of the weather, so yeah, I made it.